Russia has started preparations for missile drills near Ukraine, simulating the use of tactical nuclear weapons in response to threats by Western officials. Tactical nuclear weapons are small nuclear warheads designed to destroy enemy targets in specific area without causing widespread radioactive fallout. Ukraine has deployed maritime suicide drones armed with additional R-73 air-to-air missiles to counter Russian helicopters and BE-12 aircraft used for intercepting Ukrainian drone boats in occupied Crimea. Turkish armored vehicle manufacturer FNSS showcased PARS-3 vehicle with TEBER-II 3040th remote-controlled turret at DSA 2024 exhibition in Malaysia. The PARS-3 6x6 armored vehicle has maximum combat weight of 25,000 kilograms and speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, which helps navigating in challenging terrains with ease, including vertical and side slopes, obstacles and trenches. German Air Force announced that Heron TP unmanned aircraft systems from Israel Aerospace Industries are ready for operations in Germany, with flights set to begin in mid-May. The primary task of Heron TP is to support German soldiers on ground. These UAVs can accompany convoys to timely detect dangers and thus warn ground troops in real time.